1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10.
Hi guys, good morning. Chris Bensted from Better Driver Training here, and it's foggy. You've just heard I've counted 10 cars in a very short space of time that had no lights on. And we're in these weather conditions and literally no lights. They can't be seen, and they're putting themselves and other people at risk. And I think sometimes it's because people think that automatic headlights mean that the lights are going to come on automatically when they're needed. And in fact, it means that they're going to come on when it gets dark, not when it gets to bad weather conditions. So some people are failing to turn their lights on manually, and having spoken to some people, they don't know how to. So we're going to have a quick look.
So here we can see the daylight running bulbs. If we go around to the back of the car, nothing, no lights. In these conditions, that means cars coming up behind you possibly can't see you if it gets much thicker, especially if you've got a white or a silver car. If I now turn my headlights on, there's the dipped headlights for the front. And we have the tail lights on the back. Now it's visible, it can be seen. If the visibility is less than 100 meters, then we need to be pushing these buttons to get the fog lights on. My car's got front and rear fogs, some only have rear. So we need to make sure that people can see us so that we're safe and so are they. Much more visible. Now when it stops being foggy, you've got to remember to turn them off, but important to have those lights on. Please think about it. Don't rely on those daylight running bulbs. Don't rely on those automatic headlights. When the auto lights are on in this weather, they're not on, just the daylight runners. I'll also take the opportunity to plug our favourite charity at this time of year, Children in Need. We are part of the Big Learner Relay. You can see the spots on the car. If you would like to come and sponsor one of our spots, please feel free. The details are on here if you would just like to make a donation. If you'd like to flag one of us down, preferably when we're not on a lesson, sign one of our spots and join in with an awesome charity cause. But just to leave you on the thought that a lot of these cars can't be seen.